Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today we are going to discuss about this plant. Scientifically this plant is known as a Trianthema portulacastrum. It has another synonym also. It is also known as a Trianthema monogyna. It belongs to the family Isoaceae. To prepare the green tea by using this Trianthema portulacastrum, I have collected the plant. This is the plant which I have collected. I have cleaned it. Already I have removed the diseased plants and the damaged parts, and I have washed it thoroughly, and just I have made it into small pieces. I did not use the knife. Simply I have um, torn them. I have cut into small pieces. Now I am going to use only the kettle to prepare this one. Since I am in my not in the house, I am outside, so I have taken only this kettle. So in this kettle I am going to prepare 3 cups of this green tea. So I have added enough quantity of water in that, and now I am going to add this cut Trianthema plant inside the kettle. Just simply add it in the water, and then just plug it, switch it on. We have to add enough quantity of water. Now it has started to boil. It has to boil nicely so that we will get a very nice extract. It is boiling nicely now. It is a very simple drink to prepare, and it is highly energetic also. It has boiled nicely. Just switch it off. I have taken this tumbler to drink. In that we have to add the needed quantity of sugar. Inside that you just drain the water. Already it is boiled, so just simply drain it. So that when we pour like this, no, the sugar will get mixed thoroughly. So now the drink is ready. It is a very simple, energetic and nutritious drink. It is ready now. Come on friends, let us enjoy this drink. Really it is a delicious drink, and morning if we take it instead of tea or coffee, if we take this one, it is giving high energy. So I have experienced, so you also try this. Even though it is considered as a noxious weed, it has high medicinal properties, and it is giving very good health benefits to us when it is consumed. It can be used in different ways to overcome different kinds of ailments. Today we are going to discuss about a drink which is prepared by using this leaf. One just it is like a green tea energizing drink. We will discuss about the recipe now. Commonly this plant is known as horse purslane, carpetweed, giant pigweed. In some area it is known as Punarnava, but it is not the real Punarnava. Punarnava is the other plant, Beauravia diffusa. Already we have discussed about that in our previous videos. In some places it is mistaken for that. Throughout India it is grown widely. Not only in India, in Southeast Asia, tropical America, and in Africa also it is growing commonly. This Trianthema is consumed in different parts of the world. In Africa, especially in Ghana, Tanzania, and Cameroon, the young leaves are cooked as a vegetable, or it is prepared in the form of soup. It is consumed. In India, it is consumed as a green vegetable. The whole aerial part is consumed by all of us, as well as it is given as a cattle feed. Not only the above ground parts, even the underground parts such as the tuber, not the tuber, the root is also commonly used in Africa and in India, and in many Asian countries it is used as a medicine for in different parts of Asia including India as well as in Africa. This plant is consumed as a traditional medicine to cure the problems of liver, spleen, as well as a remedy for malignancy. The leaves are used as a diuretic for the treatment of edema and ascites. The old and mature leaves are used as a treatment for gonorrhea in Nigeria. Coming to the phytochemical analysis of Trianthema potulacastrum, the research reports have shown that they contain various different kinds of secondary metabolites such as saponins, alkaloids, steroids, terpenes, flavonoids, benzoic acid derivatives, and cinnamic acid derivatives. One research report confirms that the plant steroid ecdysterone has been isolated from this Trianthema potulacastrum. Other than this, quercetin is also present. Quercetin and a number of other benzoic and cinnamic acid derivatives with different names such as hydroxybenzoic acid, protocatechic acid, vanillic acid, ferulic acid, caffeic acid, like this, all these secondary metabolites are present in this plant and they have been successfully isolated from this. Another phytochemical investigation has revealed that the presence of alkaloids trianthimin as well as punarnavin is present in this plant. Due to the presence of all these kinds of metabolites, this plant, this Trianthema potulacastrum, exhibits different kinds of medicinal properties such as antioxidant properties, antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatic, antipyretic, anti-hyperglycemic, analgesic, diuretic, hepatoprotective, nephroprotective, anti-cancerous, and all these kind of protective characters of this plant makes this plant a very good therapeutic herbal plant. Reports say that they are effective in curing anemia, dysuria, itching, ascites, that is edema, jaundice, and menstrual problems, and particularly in case of gonorrhea, leukorrhea, it is highly effective, and it is told that it is very good for night blindness also. Some elders say that it is very good to overcome the problem of constipation since it has the laxative property. Some elderly people they are using it as a laxative. So friends, since this plant is having high therapeutic properties, we need not think that it is a weed. We have to consider it as a very good quality of, very good medicinal plant, and we can use it in different ways and we can consume it. Here I have shown only this drink which I have prepared, but my mother used to prepare sabji dal by using this one. So in another video I will show that also. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.